Hello everyone, this is my first channel on YouTube, Agile Tools, and here I'll be explaining you and giving you a lot of information about various Agile tools which are there in the market. But first, I'm going to start with application called as Jira because this is one of my favorite. And let's see how it goes. The session is mostly for the beginners, and I'll eventually give the expert level sessions as well. But let's start with the tutorial and let's see what is Jira. So Jira is an application mostly been used as a ticket management tool, and it's widely used nowadays as an agile tool. Lots of agile teams are using it. It's quite the market share, and teams working in agile, Kanban, Scrum, DevOps, anyone can use it. But we have to keep that in mind that even the teams who are working in a waterfall model can also leverage the benefits of the application like Jira because it's very robust and very agile sort of an application, even to manage waterfall team. So here I have planned my lesson and my session one in four sections. So first section, I'll give the basic understanding about how a Jira project works, what exactly a Jira project, what it consists of, and then we will move to demos on Jira pricing, Jira cloud setup, and then finally we'll create the first Jira project. And let me tell you, this is all not going to take much time. The session will be over in like 10-15 minutes. So let's get on to understanding a Jira project. Jira project consists majorly on issue types, workflows, permissions, fields, and all that. Issue types are nothing but, as you know, epic, stories, bugs are all called as issue types in Jira terminology. And I've added service request here. The only reason to add that because you just tell the waterfall teams that you can create service request, incident, anything within Jira. So it is not just towards epic stories or bugs. You can create anything. You can customize the application so much. Workflows, nothing but the statuses. So to do in progress, done, basic ones I have shown you, but you can create more permission fields. You can all create that. And eventually, whenever I'll publish my next sessions at the expert level, I'll give more and more information about these parameters, project parameters in my sessions. So after that, we will move to Jira pricing. So here's a straightforward link which can take you to the Jira pricing page. But of course, the simplest way, which I always like, you don't have to go through that. You just go to Google and then type Jira Cloud, and then it's giving me first session here, first link here. So I'll go to pricing. So let's understand the pricing, how Jira pricing works and the benefits around that. I hope you have just seen on my screen, there's a free mark there. That's always that attracted me as well. So I'll tell you the benefits of that. But on the top, if you see, you are seeing cloud and self-managed. So cloud is nothing but you pay as what you get. You just pay for the application using it and how many users are you are adding. Self-managed is something for the enterprise customers or customers who don't want to be hosting the data on cloud. They go for self-managed. It's basically you install the application on your server or on your data center. So, but in our session, we are going for the cloud one, easy because you just pay as you go. You don't have to have your servers and everything. Atlassian will manage everything on your behalf. So on the cloud version, if you see here, as I shown you the best part, free. So up to 10 users, the use of the application is free forever. And after that, till 5,000 you have $7, till 5,000 you have $14 per month. But I would still say uh, $14 per user per month, but I would still say not a bad deal. As far as my knowledge goes and my understanding goes, if your team size is less than 10 users, you can actually use the free version because they are giving most of the important features even in the free version as well. So if you see here, Scrum boards, Kanban boards, backlogs, agile reporting, customizable workflows, roadmaps, they're all available even in the free version. What you are normally not able to see in the free versions, you see something like project archiving. If you want to archive a project, anonymous access, if you want to check somebody's anonymous access, that's normally from the security point of view, it is there. But and you can see all the other stuff, like for example, storage, 2 GB file storage only you have in the free version, but in the higher versions or paid versions, you can get more storage and all that. So that is what you get from free and from the paid ones. But mostly I would say you can go to this page, you can check as part of your requirement whether you want to go for the free one or standard or the premium version. So let's start to create the first free version, Atlassian Jira website. So I clicked on get started. Now, first thing what's asking about is to sign up. So friends, you can't just directly log into cloud and start creating your site. What Atlassian is expecting you to create first an ID with Atlassian, and then after that you can start creating your site. So let's start with the ID first. So let me click on sign up with an email. Let me sign up, and let me provide my email. Agile Tools test. Okay, let me provide the password. Agile Tools. This part you can see here, no credit card required. So basically, no future surprises as well. Cool. So, fine. So what they're asking me right now, so I must have received an email. I have to go, I have to check that email, and I have to confirm that yes, I've received that. So and then you can sign up directly. So you can see here I've got the emails almost there. Please verify your email ID. Okay, yes, verify me. Now my ID is getting created. You can see here ID.relation. Now first thing what is asking me to create my site name. Yeah, so that is going to be your site name. It's your own link which you can share with your team, your project, wherever you want, to create multiple projects under that. So let me say Agile Tools. Oh, it's not available. Available Agile Tools test. Okay, I'll click on continue. As soon I clicked on that, it's trying to create the site for me. See, so best part, my site is getting created. Agile Tools Test.Atlassian.net. Welcome software. I got my site created. Now, if you have a team, you can start typing their email addresses. They will start receiving an emails on their email boxes. They can just directly then jump onto your website, Jira website. In my case, I'll just skip because I don't want to add anyone. Now, these are just basic questions they will ask you. You can always provide if you want to, so that they can give you best possible support and view. So, guys, we are in the Jira application. Yes, this is what the Jira application is. Now, the next part which we had to do after that, if you remember, so our sign up part is done. We are in the application. Now we have to create our first project. So, how to create that? First thing, what it's asking, there are various templates. These are out of the box templates. You can either use them or you can later modify them. I'll probably give further session, expert level sessions, and show you guys how to create your own template or modify the existing template. But in this case, simple. Let's quickly create a project here. So you want Kanban, you want Scrum, bug tracking. You have more business level templates as well if you want to create that. But let's start with the Kanban one. So I said, okay, I'm fine. I want to create a Kanban one, and then Agile Tool is my project name, and key is the issue key, and that's how issue key is a reference number whenever you create anything within your project. So a key will be like 81, 82, 83. That is the key. So I click on create, and then bingo, my project is ready. I've created that. So now it's giving you some quick start. They're they're themselves helping you to start looking into what should be the next step. So either you can use this help, of course, and you can say, okay, I want to create an issue, but I want to show you from somewhere else you can create an issue. So let me minimize it, and I want to close it actually. So if you see the plus sign here, That's create issue. So you can always click on plus sign, and sometimes you will see here called create as well. So you can click on create project, as I have only created one project. So the project I told you about issue types. So you get these by default issue types: story, task, bug, epic in the default template. And let's create our first ticket here. I want agile tool test was demo. You want to attach any attachments, you can do that. Provide basic description. Reporter is it's me, uh, who has logged in. Issues, everything. So we'll cover all these fields eventually when we are in the expert level sessions. But I just wanted to create a quick ticket right now, and I click on create, and my ticket is ready. So Agile Tools demo, first demo ticket ready. You click on that, it will give you again the same information which I've already provided. You want to change the status, you want to say it's in progress, drag and drop. Your Kanban board is ready. So friend, as simple as that. I think it will not even take a minute to create a project within Jira Cloud. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe the channel for further updates and comment if you need any more information. Thank you.